Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys, and we got some crazy updates in the Nissan Z platform. In this video, we're gonna talk about AMS finally receiving their new Nissan Z, and also we're gonna do a quick sound clip of TJ Hunt finally getting some downpipes on his Nissan Z. So, guys, you already know what to do. Let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys, and good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. If you're part of the Boost Emotion family, I already know you guys hit the like button. Thank you, and I really appreciate you guys for definitely showing your support. And if you're new to the Boost Emotion channel, I am Boost Emotion. I report the automotive news, but then also am a Nissan Infiniti enthusiast, and do own a Mercedes C63. But I love to just show this content and talk about all the exciting new things with the VR30. But guys, let's go. Let's jump into it. So first thing I want to shout out is AMS Performance. They recently received their own Nissan Z, and these guys went right into it. Like they went right for it. So pretty much they are tuning the Nissan Z on ECU Tech or EcuTech, and the car doesn't have any other modification from what I know currently at this moment. Some of this stuff could get disclosed later. MS-109. But nonetheless, they downloaded the car at 373 wheel horsepower, right? This is on pretty much stock. And it was also, and this was tuned on 93. And then they AMS tuned it with ECU Tech or EcuTech, and they made 440 wheel horsepower on their Nissan Z. Now, for anybody who's in the Q50, Q60 community, we look at these numbers and we're like, wait, get the hell out of here, because we know that the exhaust on the Q50 Q60 is super restrictive. So if you wanted to tune like a fully stock Q50 on 93 fuel, you're gonna be maybe 410 to 520 I mean 420 wheel horsepower, because exhaust is so restrictive. It's really hard to make 440 wheel horsepower, even on a rear-wheel drive model. But now we see that the Nissan C did this on their stock system, and from what I can remember seeing on TJ's Hunt's video, yeah, their system is very similar to the Q50 Q60 system. So does it flow any better? I highly doubt it. Maybe the Z1 Motorsports is right. Maybe the housing, the compressor side of the Nissan Z's turbos are slightly larger than the ones on the Q50, Q60. So it's going to take some time for us to figure this out, but I bet you AMS is going to be the one to report us and let us know if there really is a difference. So take a quick shout out to their tuner, and they have their own, their own picture of a quick dyno curve. And for what I can see here, the car made 441 peak wheel. I can't see the torque from here. It's very hard because it's actually blurred out. But it seems like a very similar power curve than the Q50 Q60. Honestly, it looks like it's a little bit better. And I know that they probably could even make it even better than where it is now. So nonetheless, I'm super excited to see where the Nissan Z ends up soon, with a proper catback exhaust, downpipes, uh, intakes, heat exchanger system. And I know the heat exchanger system on the Q50, I mean, on the Nissan Z, it's once again, it might be a little bit more efficient than the Q50, but not much more. It still has a similar heat exchanger. Yep. But nonetheless, shout out to AMS Performance for getting that done. And thank you for them to be one of the pioneers to make this VR30 one of the most powerful V6 twin turbo V6 is out there. Well, some people will jump in and say the B58, but nonetheless, shout out to AMS Performance. Now, what I want to go into next, man, this Nissan Z looks really nice. I really do like this car, man. They took some really nice photos. Next thing I want to talk about is TJ Hunt. Now, TJ Hunt, if you haven't seen the video here, hopefully I'll put it up here. I did a small reaction to him, adding bags to his cars, wheels, and a hatchback exhaust. So definitely tap in with that if you want to support the channel just in case you missed it. But recently, he also right after I made that video, he said, now we're going to do downpipes. And he chose to add in downpipes to his catback exhaust system. So I just want to show you guys quickly, or not really show, because copyright's super weird on YouTube. It seems like you can steal anyone's content, but they can still come after you and kind of demonetize you. I don't feel like dealing with that. So I would rather just share his YouTube, but we're just gonna listen to it. Okay. I'd rather just do that, and it's more respectful. So this is his car. He already has it set up. And what I'm gonna have you guys do is I'm gonna take it off the screen, and I want you to listen to him adding it, pairing it with the MagnaFlow X pipe exhaust that he went with on his Nissan Z. So sorry, I'm gonna have to bring that back down, because you're gonna look at me for a bit. I might not be the best look at, but I want you guys just to quickly listen and listen well.
Yeah, it's a lot louder now. Ooh, I love it.
That sounds so much more better. The downpipes.
Yeah,
I knew I was right.
See how obnoxious it is. We're gonna have to go on the street and drive it.
I like that. I like
All
that.
right, let's go for a little drive test, boys.
That's how it's supposed to sound. That's exactly how it's supposed to sound. I told you downpipes will open it up.
Whoa, a little butt dyno feels pretty good.
That didn't feel slow.
No, I felt good. That felt really good.
Really good.
We're not even tuned yet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sounds good. That's real good. Definitely, guys.
Wow.
So I'm gonna remove that there. I'm gonna take this down, because I don't want you guys looking at your boy Boost anymore. I'm a boring person to look at. I want you guys looking at me. But nonetheless, shout out to TJ Hunt. And I told you guys, you check that last video, I said this exhaust is gonna open up a lot more. He went with a full downpipe, I believe a full catted downpipe from what I remember looking at. And it actually went through the installation process, which again is very similar. It's very similar to the Q50 Q60 platform. And boom, there it goes. And cat is actually very similar. But nonetheless, let's bring this video to a close. Once again, shout out to the whole Q50 Q60 community for always showing their support. Thank you also my Boosted Motion subscribers. And if you're new to this Boosted Motion channel, if you like this video, definitely tap in with some other ones. And if you like it, definitely hit the subscribe button with the bell notification and hit all so you miss no videos. Guys, also, if you're subscribed to the channel, definitely go check that subscribe button. And there's a little thing on the side, a bell. Make sure you press the bell button and make sure you press all. There's like all these options. They don't want to send notifications. And some of y'all say I do miss some of the videos. So definitely tap in. But outside of that, guys, you already know what to do. Add me at boostinmotion.g, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for support. You guys have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boosted Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.